guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Patrice and you're here with Patrice Living, and in today's video I will be showing you some different styles that you can use or that you can do in your faux locks, single plaits, box braids, etc. Anything has to do with plaits or twist. When your hair is well overdue, it's ready to come out, but you can't be bothered to take it out and you want to get your money's worth, like me. So these are the styles that you can use, that you can put in your hair, you know, to get that wear out of your hair. So if you want to see that, keep watching.
Now when you clean and look like star, no, them rather pop you down, no want to see you far. Me no listen when the hypocrite talk. No, if I feed them alone, me wouldn't find me back.
Thanks for sticking around. I did my own faux locks. I used about 5 to 6 Jamaican crochet hair. I might do a video as well on the type of hair that I use to faux locks my hair. So if you like that, like this video and comment and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Whenever I am braiding my hair or faux locks, I like to have jumbo braids or jumbo twist, or they call it Havana twist. I prefer when my hair looks like this, when it's not too brand new and you can see the parts. I rather it in this state, to be honest. I think it look more realistic, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah, as you can see, the lint at the ends and stuff like that, because it's ready to come out and wash. It stops at my waist line. Yeah, so that's out the back look and stuff like that. One thing is that everything is not on the same level. I didn't want to braid everything on the same level, but some of them are extremely longer than some. That could have been avoided, but yeah, so I didn't want everything to be just blunt on the same level, so that's why I did my hair like that. So don't mind this. This is my hair. This is my natural hair peeping through one of the faux braid because it's ready. It's overdue now, and it's ready to come out. So this is that bit, yeah, so we won't even look at that, right? First hairstyle is to inside cornrow it into 2, okay? And for this one you can use elastics if you want, but I'm just going to use the hair to hold everything in place. You'll see. So first I'll part it into half and half, like that. So my method for how it's supposed to suit my face, I want the cornrow to sit on the sides, not in the middle, but on the sides. So I'll to inside cornrow it, I'll plait it like that. It's ready to come out. You can see those are gel anyways, really clogged up. So I am searching now for the longest braid. So after you've done that, you want to take one of the braids and wrap it around, yeah, and then you find somewhere to stuck it in. So that's braid number 1, or that's that cornrow number 1, okay? So now we're heading to the other side. Sometimes I find that they are not the same. This side might be up, this side might be down, but yeah. And out. So take another one, wrap it around. Fine. So this is the hairstyle that I wore in my Primark haul when I was doing my Primark haul. So yeah, this is the first hairstyle. Look at this. I absolutely love this. This is easy to do. This is my go-to. The back might look a bit, because there's no part, it in the middle might look a bit rusty, but yeah. So you can wear it in the front, or you can put everything at the back, yeah. Also, if you don't want it to be that spacey, you take a bit of this and you like tie it down like that. and then you have it a bit more close up to each other. Style number 1. So style number two, it's a bit similar to style number 1, but however, what's different is I am just going to cornrow them, not straight to the back but to the sides like this. Okay, so these are simple styles and very quick and easy. So like some at the back and plait this one as well. See, it's very messy one to do, but we are not ready to take out our hair. That's why you are here. You're not ready to pull it out and you want the best, you want your money's worth. Yeah, so what I do now, take both and I tie it in both and I tie it like that. Yeah, and you want to take one of the hair and wrap it around and just tuck it underneath another hair. But this is similar to half up, half down, like if you would normally just catch up the hair in the top and leave it down, but by cornrowing it, it really does something different. So as for the plaits now, you might just want to wrap the plaits around and stuck them underneath each other. Looks from that side. So I really love this one. You can wear it with the hair behind your shoulders or in front your shoulders like this, or everything around. So if it doesn't hold like this, you might need, you can add bobby pins to just keep them in place. Yeah. As for the next hairstyle, alright, I'm just going to put everything up in one, leaving the front bit like this. So nothing going to leave down here, leave hanging. So I am going to pull this out, just go like that. Yeah, because we want it in the top, right? And then just take one of the hair and wrap it around. Just take one of the hair, wrap it around. And as for that one, we have everything in the top bit like that. Side. I really love this one if you want to updo, but also if you don't want it to be hanging, you can also put it in a bun. Yeah, just take bobby pins to hold it in place. Okay, for the next hairstyle, the last but definitely not least, is to still leave some at the back and then add this small section in the front, right? And then we're just gonna bring everything to one side. So this is my good side. Yeah, this is my good side, so I'm gonna bring everything over this side. Okay, so it's an inside cane roll as well. Take it to the side. Wait, I don't like how this part is like right here like that. So yeah, try to make it as flat as possible, and then we're going to take one of the hair and pull it around the hair like that, and find somewhere to stuck it through. So this one is like a swoop. So you know, sometimes you want to wear your hair on one side, but when you just flick it over like that, it always, some at the front or somewhere, they always either fall in your face or stuff like that. So you can just cornrow it to one side. So these are methods that you do not need any elastic bands. I love this one. And you know that this one is just, I just start doing it off the top of my head, but I like it. And then you can bring it around the front. That. Those are just some simple styles that you can use in your hair when you have had enough with your faux locks, your box braids, your Havana twists, and you can't be bothered to take them out. You want your money's worth. So let me know which one of these hairstyles you like and which one you are going to try. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share this video if you found anything in this video useful. It does help with my channel and stuff like that. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye.
Now when you clean and look like star, no, them rather pop you down, no want to see you far. Me no listen when the hypocrite talk. No, if I feed them alone, me wouldn't find me back. Them want everything and them no give away.